don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to my fans Watu TV. It's the African Cup of Nations. South Africa 2, Angola 1. I say he's the best analyst.
Tanko konke man. Ngiyabonga abafethu best analyst ngiyabonga abafethu. Ayanda konke. Yeah, also situation ngifuna ukushaya ngesurprise mngani wami. I've got a radio show through you engitholile mfethu ngithola. Yeah, VMC radio.
Sure.
From 5 nje January kuya le ngizobe ngikhona.
Congrats njaya.
So,
Congrats.
Yeah. I've been a sports presenter laphayana ngizoba show yami at some point one thing zoku-invite Sithibo so nibheke ama-fans wethu VMC sixoxe laphayana
deserving
siyabonga ama-fans wethu for lontolele into esiyenza lana kusho ukuthi umsebenzi uyaphambili bafethu and then into the game Sithibo singene egamini namhlanje South Africa versus the team that we're playing with le team esidlala nayo man le team lena bafethu iAngola Angola has never been a trouble to South Africa. The way ingakhona in the past. I mean, we've been the team a dominant kule fixture lena eso. But there's something ngipick up kule game lena Sithibo. When the game started, we played with inverted wingers. Meaning that Silale on one side, Ngonkotha, who is left-footed and playing on the right, and on this other side, who's a police, who's right-footed playing on the left. So we were invert, must qala a game. That's what we had, Masqala a game. So meaning that we're trying to overload from the middle field, see South Africa, you know. And then we had Umudiba, no Mudau to overlap. But that's what they were supposed to do because laba baya invert bayangena and then laba baya overlap. So in doing that, we were trying to play in short spaces. But when we quickly saw ukuthi siyadlala but iye yahambe yashaya because manje njengoba uNkotha no police ba inverter abakwazi ukusiza defensively because once we lose the ball in those areas ezaka number 10 and number 6 in the middle abakwazi uskavela because now what happened is ama middle fielder we Angola will take those balls ball pass it back to la kusuka khona uMudiba back to la kusuka khona uMotao meaning that we expose kulama area lawa because now ama wingers wethu abakwazi ukubakhavela aya inverter and even though beba inverter you would expect ukuthi maybe usithole nomkwena will go out one cover left omunye cover ku right but we were failing ngithola okay let's say usithole or uTebza uyafela ukhavela uMudiba or uMotao there's supposed to be a transition enzakalayo ukuthi okay if one of them is failing to cover one side maybe one of the center backs has to cover one side for example umjita mekadlala center back noMbokazi I forgot his name ungezana was supposed to cover for uMtao every time uMtao makaphumile ungezana uyacover so that uTebza aze ku center back position ame no TLB ku center back position and then siba ne shape ngalo ndlela leyo so but that thing mengayenzakali uyangithola because you'll find ungezana uyozama ukucover but there's no one dropping into that center back position making wenzani ungezana abe exposed making also ubani uMudiba abe exposed kulela side leya cause uphumile out of position akakwazi ukurecover. There was also an incident whereby we almost considered where ungezana uyokhavela uMdiba and noMdiba uphumile I think it ended up being a goal ibhola la khona because manje akusena cover if lela bhola mele imdlulile uMdiba it was definitely gonna be a goal because there was a player ele Angola elrana elenza a blind run kulesa sport lesa so I think ukuthi it's something kula center back position I'm trying to say ukuthi ayilungise ucoach there's a problem with that center back pairing yakangezana no TLB I think ukuthi that's where I think uSibisi will come in and do something and then on the other side we're gonna look at uMudiba na side lakhe because we were exposed many times exciting like Mudiba but the smart thing akayenzile ucoach to fix that problem ukuthi athathu a police ambeke as a winger, a direct winger, at let Umuremi into the game as a direct wing, meaning that Umuremi naturally he left back, he left winger, police right wing. Even at the Kolele Eltinayu, it's because of that. We are direct. Slalangama wing are direct. Man, Shuti Ulama winger labe baslandang. There's already always people about our occupier, meaning that no Kavela Umudao, Guba is good to police a Kavelo Mudao, Guba is good to Murem Mudiba Akavelo Murim. So i-shape akasinikeze yona coach. I think that it was genius. And then we go to uFoster. uFoster, there was a genius moment ukuthi abambe ibhola walibamba kuye walidlala Master Chef wakhipha uMurim. I think into abamlethele yona le into esifuna more kuye uRayden uFoster. Sifuna uFoster ayenze that thing asibambele amabhola awabuyise nga middle fielder, because the way ayenze ngakhona many times within the game kumele ukuthi usenzele lonto le, it was gonna be easy ukuthi ama-winger adlale, but on the other hand angeke ngimblame 100% because remember when we started with inverted wingers, meaning that their position la kumele ame khona nama center back there was always abantu apolice no Rayden noNkotha beduze naye, so it was not easy ukuthi alibambe ayi-1 ibhola. But I think if angaweka ngalonto leyo angasinikeza something going forward, but genius to ucoach wethu for introducing lama winger la ahlele emasayidini isebenzele lonto leyo Sithibo. Ngiyabonga kakhulu mfethu.
Man of the match.
My man of the match are police bafethu. Our police asebenzela bafethu. And the good thing about our police akabi nama injury. It's one player elingathola ama injury. And njengoba bambi form yakhe from Elikini, I feel ukuthi ne-league uzoyiqeda the way aqale ngakhona. Let's pray man ukuthi angatholi injury even na ku tournament. Usazosebenzela kakhulu. And no Master Chef bafethu usebenzele kakhulu. I think ukuthi they were very key players. But masiya kuSithole. I think uSithole is good on the ball, but he's very hard. Player sometimes, and consider foul are unnecessary many times. Yeah. There was a situation whereby there were 3 of them, uSithole, uMkwena, uMudiba. Player lipeke amapalawalo, but uSithole forced ungena ngomzimba athatha ibhola, which is unnecessary because the foul is unnecessary. So I think mangasebenza kulonto leyo encane ukuthi sometimes don't be hard, just guide the player. Singaba right. Ngiyabonga.
Thank you. Ay bafethu amara